Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti Q50 versus the G37. We will explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which luxury sports sedan best suits your needs. Both vehicles offer a compelling blend of performance and comfort, but they cater to slightly different preferences in the driving experience. When it comes to power, the G37 is well known for its robust 3.7-liter V6 engine, delivering approximately 330 horsepower. The Q50, while initially offering a similar V6, later introduced a more powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, capable of producing up to 400 horsepower, offering a significant performance boost. Inside, the Q50 presents a more modern aesthetic, often featuring a dual-screen infotainment setup for navigation and media. The G37, while still luxurious, maintains a more traditional layout with tactile buttons, appealing to those who prefer physical controls. Both sedans prioritize driver and passenger comfort with premium materials throughout their well-appointed cabins. The G37 is celebrated for its direct and engaging driving dynamics, offering a truly connected feel to the road. The Q50, while still sporty, provides a more refined and technologically advanced driving experience, including available steer-by-wire systems. For those seeking a pure driving machine at a great price, the G37 is compelling, while the Q50 offers modern amenities and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.